I do think we'll get a little bit brighter as we move toward the late afternoon into this evening, and we'll see slivers of sun trying to break through not only later today, but over the next few days before our next round of rain by Wednesday night into Thursday. The reason we are stuck in some of this cloudiness is because we have this onshore wind, a wind that will be around even tomorrow and Tuesday. So that's why I don't think we will see a perfectly blue sky like we were treated with for so many weeks with that dry stretch recently. Let's take a look at our radar here. It's looking much quieter as most of the rain has dissipated, but I do want to bring you into two spots where we still have a few drops falling. These spots have been rather persistent this morning. While it's not a lot of rainfall, you may feel a drop or two falling on you if you move from Portsmouth down along 95 here through Hampton Beach, and then right along areas of southwestern Martha's Vineyard and moving off of the coastline. You can see in places like Falmouth just a few drops, and moving off of the south coast. Outside of that, finally, we have dried out. So really, for the majority of us are feeling dry at this hour. That's after nearly an inch of rainfall in and around Boston, significantly more to the south, where we had many totals between the 6 to 8.5 inch range. Of course, these are storm totals, so that includes what we also saw on Thursday and Friday. Upper 50s, low 60s now. We've now crossed into the 60s for Boston and places like Norwood. So we're getting there as far as a little bit of a warm up from yesterday. It's not going to be a big spike because we are not going to see a perfectly blue sky, and we will still feel that wind off the water. Let's time out the showers and clouds here. You can see the clouds are stubborn, so they take some time to clear. It's 1 o'clock and we're still picking up on a good amount of clouds here in our models, but at least we are looking nice and dry. As we travel toward the late afternoon, I would say 4 or 5 o'clock, that's when we see some slivers of sun breaking through the clouds here, a little bit of brightening, of course, just in time for sunset, right? But at least we stay dry through this evening. It's really not until the overnight into tomorrow morning that I think we might see some pockets of drizzle develop. So our 12-hour forecast does look quiet. We're into the 60s this afternoon, not all too different from yesterday, although likely a few degrees warmer. Average high is 71, so we are staying below average, a little bit on the cool side. And of course, you throw in this wind, which is starting to pick up, especially over the Cape and Islands. It is going to make it feel even cooler out there. Real feel of fall. Wind gusts this afternoon nearing 35 miles per hour for Cape Ann, Cape Cod, and the Islands. I don't think it'll be quite as strong at Boston, likely closer to 25 miles per hour, but that's enough of a wind off the water that we are looking at our high tide this afternoon around 3. That onshore wind could produce a surge of up to about a foot. So those typical low-lying roadways that always flood whenever we have a strong astronomical tide, those are the spots you want to watch for at the immediate coastline. Clouds overnight. There may be some pockets of drizzle at the coastline tomorrow. There's this area of low-level moisture moving in with some clouds. But overall, what we're seeing for tomorrow is just a good amount of clouds to start, and then some slivers of sun in the afternoon yet again. So these cloudiness, or the cloudy pattern rather, will be stuck in place for your Monday and Tuesday, but we're rain free until this next storm. We are watching it. It looks like it's approaching for late Wednesday night, more so into Thursday. Likely holding on to some showers through Friday, but at least we dry out as we head toward next weekend. A little bit of a faster movement with that particular storm. Another storm we're watching, this one's a little more significant. Look at how massive this area of rain is. It's a storm system developing in the Gulf, trying to move toward the southern states. And this is one that's taking on some tropical characteristics, so it may actually form into a tropical storm. There's a 70% likelihood of that formation. So we'll keep you updated. The next name on the list is Helene, as we're still in the height of hurricane season. We're staying in the 60s for the rest of our 7-day.